Somebody go streets and you can't go find out say that for the street and they treat people when you hawk anyhow. Now we go play the conversation when the person get with them. They make una hear.
What is your name? Okay. So you there you are the hawk. What you they sell? You they sell something for Freedom Way?
Yes.
What do you talk say happen for Freedom Way?
They collect 200 naira for us every day.
Every day for this Freedom Way.
Everybody wait there here 200 naira. Not
everybody, even person when they sell granules, person when they sell cashew.
Granite people now 700. Plantain people 15.
Every month. Every month.
No.
Every day.
Every day. People where they sell plantain juice. For 1,000 every day.
Okay.
People where they hawk all that is. Chairman, come 1 minute.
Okay, you dey call person where they hawk water. So what answer? I bet how much they collect from you now every day for here? The agbero.
For our hand, we would say this. Then they collect 200.
You where they sell mineral, they collect 200 for you every day.
Yes, people where they sell all this, starting from 700, 500.
Okay, everybody end of month, how much did they collect again?
End of month, so they pay more than 2,000. All those plantain people, they pay higher.
Plantain chips, they sell how much?
When they sell fresh plantain.
Okay, fresh plantain. And this place that Freedom Way, those agbero, the end they cause this problem.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what's up there? Go hear them. We go talk them. For the hear them so. Now so we hear them for Freedom Way today. Will be on Friday for the Freedom Way. Now so then tell me. All right. No, I don't hear. Two people don't come.
Who mess up again? Then go slap and join you.
I bet you just sell banana. How much do they collect from you agbero every day?
1,000 every day.
1,000 naira every day. You go pay. But end of month, they go still collect money.
End of month, we pay 2,000.
End of month, 2,000.
Just like this week, Monday, we pay 3,000. They say it's for Lekki Patrol. On Monday, we pay 3,000. So making everything become 4,000.
Okay, for you to sell banana. All right.
Plantain people, the same thing. Faster.
Plantain, the same thing.
Banana.
Plantain people even pay higher than we pay.
Then they pay higher.
All right, we will go Wazobia, we will go talk and make everybody hear them. Thank you very much.
Bless you, sir.
All right, sir.
Another year, now one of our guys when enter the street, now bring that one come. Say that they collect 1,000 naira for Freedom Way.
Waiting person don't sell finish where you collect money.
1,000 naira for best when they sell banana.
Banana.
You never know whether he or she go sell that day. You collect 1,000 naira for the person hand. These people when they hawk, how much did they collect for una hand? How much agbero they collect for una hand? Anywhere for this Lagos, let us know.
This one where they collect money from people where they sell. This one where they never be president. They be president. What will happen now? So help us so.
Good morning, Wazobia FM. In respect of these people collecting money from hawkers, say I think the government should put an end to them because the money they are collecting is not bringing any development, but rather making life more difficult. But the sellers.
So both the seller,
both the sellers and the buyers.
Oh yeah, read the next message.
That voice at Akata of the guy selling banana and paying every day. Now my brother, hey yeah.
Okay, that brother. Okay, he said that one when they went talk.
Say na him brother Uche.
Yeah.
I beg if una fit help, make una help. Oh, no easy.
All right, so
hello, Ratata.
morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, your name and where you call us from?
Ratata, that is my name. I call from Aja.
Let's go, Ahmed.
This agbero of a thing where they collect money for this
From traders.
Freedom Way.
Yes.
We said that the way they see them.
Eh?
And Lagos State have to stop these people.
Okay.
He have to stop them. Anything when Lagos State want to do, may they stop these people, may they do and stop them. Why people they carry plantain, waiting, they walk. One person go just day one place, they drink.
They collect the money.
They go come collect
Every day. Yes, no, 1,000. Sure.
For states, say Lagos State, Nigeria, not be all of us get them. Lagos State need to stop all this agbero of a thing. Lagos don't be past this agbero. The state don't mature. It don't do okay past all this south level for where would they face.
Okay. See, I better make us so. Which kind suggestions you get if Lagos State won't stop them? How do they stop them now?
Lagos State for instance, now, as someone who does as a governor, if you want to stop them, as a governor, you go stop them. If you don't give us that, like last 3 months, I mean 4 months, where they say made them stop agbero as the federal government say even no agbero where they for from Marwa to Ritaja. When they come, I don't see any agbero for road.
Okay.
So if Lagos say want stop them,
They go
stop
fit.
them.
Okay. Thank you. Read that
On
message.
top of
Thank you. Yeah.
on top of WhatsApp, this one say Ogara issue for where issue where dey Lagos, and na so some people come my POS chaos that day with police and they lock it up that they are task force and collect 5k from me without knowing without nothing to show for it, meaning to say they just come lock the shop say they be task force collect 5k
in POS with you.
in POS kiosk.
Now wow, they can collect 5k.
5k.
They could just come like that.
They no show say they go just tell them say they be task force.
Task force. Go collect money like that.
Collect money like that. Waka go.
Please, I want to comment on concerning this collection. Agbero they collect money.
Yes, from traders, hawkers.
I beg. And they vet where.
Okay.
And they vet like tomorrow no day.
Okay.
Yeah. It's good like that. It's good like that. I like it where.
Oh, you like make agbero they collect money for hawkers and.
I like it. To me, I know the hawk, but I like it.
Why you talk so? Why?
Youth. How many times I call Nigerian youth?
Three times.
It is time for them to wake up. And they still want to vote Tinubu in. For what Agbero is doing.
Okay, I understand. Yes, I understand now.
Wake up,
I understand.
Time for you to wake up.
I understand.
Wake up. And the vets where.
I understand.
I want to talk about the hawkers.
Yeah.
They enter street, they take money from them.
Are you serious?
Yes, the place where we did before, you get one particular guy. Every morning, the boy will just wear fine clothes, come out, they disturb them.
They collect money for the hawkers hand.
Yes, and if you don't give them, he go carry your.
You go through what?
And police, they there for the checkpoint sometimes where the guy they stand. The police no go do anything.
Sure.
Like this, I blame the hawkers because assuming they report them.
Yeah.
The whole thing no go they happen.
Okay.
That's why they do and they have.
He get to they report them too.
Okay.
Because they have upper hand. That's why they do them. You know good.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you
This
so much.
taxing of a thing affect everybody. Oh, it affect everybody. This one on top of WhatsApp call talk say, hello, Ogara Tata Information Minister. Abeg make state government ban agbero from harassing and overtaxing keke riders on the road. Can you imagine from Badore Road to Aja, these people will pay more than 500 naira. They do this with violence.
With power.
Yes, so Ratata, allegedly, I put it to you that the government is aware of the money those agbero collect from the people. When they tell you that Lagos State generates 100 billion in a month, where do they generate it from? Our government enjoying sucking the poor masses from a creative herbalist.
Sir, this issue of hockey.
Yeah.
Even those mala that sell pepper.
Yeah.
They used to collect money for their house too.
Are you serious?
Sell tomatoes, all those pepper, onions.
Yeah.
They used to cut ticket for that, collect 100 naira and all that stuff. So the government should do something about it.
Now what?
So thank you, sir.
You see this agbero. They are many, they are different. They work in different ways.
Are you serious?
There is another agbero even in the school today.
Sure.
Agbero, close the school close to me here.
Yeah.
Government provided generator for the school.
Then
all the people there have to pay 100 naira every month for generator, more than almost 5 years now.
Sure. Are you serious, sir?
I am telling you this.
Okay, man.
So, and then the security that are tied to the school too.
Yeah.
Now, government school, the children are paying 100 naira every day. So every 10 they pay. Every month they are demanding 300 naira.
Sure.
For the cleaners that cleans the toilet.
Yeah.
And for the
security
and for
generator. It's all right.
Did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
So this agbero, this kind of agbero, you cannot detect them. You can't just even know that they are there working.
Yeah.
Because why? When they send delegates from the office of the education for Ikeja, you know what they will do? They will tell the children that anybody that does say they pay anything, they will remove them from
that school. The children
Jesus.
will not fear. They will not talk.
You see what's happening about those Agbero people? You know, so we'll be talking about all those Agbero people yesterday. They are on too much. Even transport, when they car, 4 guys, all of them are the same line with them. You get one Aboki last week. I know you get where they say for they carry Agbero and the Bitacola.
9 they say.
9 they say. They carry water where they say they pass the D-Rock. No be saying this in the day. If you see the way that's also from back, where person one back from here, that was that's all just from back like this. Grip him. I believe he said one of your brother will they grip at the time. She said that's why he said, "Kai, what's it out?"
He said, "Kai."
They said the number is asking just the one guy. They just from back. They roll up from back. I believe the last said that his brother. I said, "Toy say Kai." They kind of up like this. If they better go now and they this all the things for program, so they kind of put inside motor. So all those things, no. If they are in market, they just they pack and like this, they throw inside motor. I say see these people. We have person from the shop.
Okay.
So anyone with no collect money, they go share on weekend.
Okay, no, well, thank you. Read the message.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk